Hello guys and welcome back to Mystery Truth. Supervolcano. Experts warned new threats rising up beneath United States that is a relative of the Yellowstone. Scientists warned a distant relative of Yellowstone supervolcano is brewing beneath the United States, unnetted accounts revealed. Volcanic eruptions have unsettled human civilizations for thousands of years, such as the infamous Mount Vesuvius eruption of 79 AD, which buried the ancient city of Pompeii in meters of volcanic ash and pumice. More recently, the eruption in Tonga in January blasted ash 60,000 feet into the sky and obliterated a volcanic island. The eruption, which killed at least 5 people, was described as a once-in-a-thousand-year event and is expected to rank as high as 5 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index (VEI). The supervolcanic eruptions, meanwhile, measure 8 on the VEI, the highest possible value. They erupt around every 17,000 years and are approximately 1,000 times more powerful than the Mount St. Helens eruption of 1980, the deadliest United States recorded history. There are around 20 known supervolcanoes on Earth, including Yellowstone in the United States, Lake Toba in Indonesia, and Lake Taupo in New Zealand. A paper in 2016 initially concluded that there is an active independent upwelling of molten rock below the surface, known as the North Appalachian Anomaly. Scientists at Rutgers University said used 2 years of data off the back of the 2016 study to establish a better idea of what was brewing beneath. Professor Vadim Levin, a geophysicist, said the upwelling we detected is like a hot air balloon, and we inferred that something is rising up through the deeper parts of our planet under New England. The region in which they made their discovery is geologically stable and has no active volcanoes. The magma buildup, therefore, is relatively recent in terms of the Earth's geological processes. Tens of millions of years, in other words. Professor Levin continued, it will likely take millions of years for the upwelling to get where it is going. The next step is to try to understand exactly how it's happening. He added, it is not Yellowstone-like, but it's a distant relative in the sense that something relatively small, no more than a couple of 100 miles across, is happening. The magma bubble may never eke its way to the surface. If it does, it is likely to take a very long time. Professor Levin told National Geographic that maybe he didn't have time yet, or maybe it is too small and will never make it. Let us come back in 50 million years and we'll see what happens. Supervolcanoes occur when magma in the mantle rises into the crust but is unable to break through. Pressure builds in a large green magma pool until the crust can no longer contain the pressure. They can occur at hotspots where Yellowstone caldera is, or at subduction zones where Toba is. When they do erupt, they can cause long-lasting climate change and threaten species with extinction. The 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora caused the year without a summer and was the most powerful volcanic eruption in recorded human history, with a recorded VEI of 7. Any potential super eruption would be 10 times more powerful than Mount Tambora. The most recent super eruption was New Zealand's Taupo volcano, approximately 26,500 years ago. Most of New Zealand was affected by ashfall, with an 18-centimeter layer left on the Chatham Island, some 1,000 kilometers away. How humanity might respond should such an event happen again isn't clear, but scientists have indicated we may not get a huge amount of notice when the next super eruption is coming. Earth scientist Luca Carici told a study published in PNAS last year, our study also shows that no extreme events occur before a super eruption. This suggests signs of an impending eruption, such as a significant increase in earthquakes or rapid ground uplifts might not be as obvious as pictured in disaster movies by the film industry. Other analysis at Yellowstone, however, has suggested magma reservoirs can reach eruptive capacity within decades, which scientists would likely detect. Wow. So whatever you have to say concerning this, drop your comment in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.